Windows can't find the XAML Diagnostics Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've prepared a guided solution to fix this critical library mismatch. To start fixing XAML Diagnostics Library manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the XAML Diagnostics Library, the Windows XAML Diagnostics Library. It provides the localized API for the XAML Live Visual Tree used by developers to troubleshoot UI layouts in real time. While primarily for devs, its absence can cause module not found errors in specialized automation scripts that attempt to interact with system UI elements. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. If XAML Diagnostics Library DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the XAML Diagnostics Library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for XAML Diagnostics Library DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with XAML Diagnostics Library. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got XAML Diagnostics Library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.